And welcome everybody to one episode of Dude on Two Wheels. My name is Marcelo Barbosa, and today we're in the city of Oldenburg, where I have been coming last Sunday. If you guys have been watching last video, you guys have been seeing this video. And we are gonna go today back home, guys, to Berlin. I have been spending a whole week here almost. I have been arriving on Sunday afternoon. And today is Friday, 10 o'clock, or almost like 11 o'clock. And we're gonna go now to Berlin, guys. So I'm gonna close my helmet here so that you guys don't hear so much this noise of this wind that's going on. And the thing about this day as well, guys, is that we're gonna go we're not gonna come back to the same way we have been coming. And why that? The way we have been coming, I don't know. If you guys saw the video, I don't think that was a really good idea to take this way. It took me 6 hours to come here. Normally, it's not taking so long, you know. But today, maybe I will arrive at home, guys. Maybe. And why I'm saying maybe? My motorcycle is making a little bit of trouble with the gas pump. It's making a really loud noise, kind of like I don't know how to explain that, but it's a really weird noise, guys. And the thing is, I hope my motorcycle will hold to home, because if not, we're gonna stay on the road, and I don't wanna have that. Anyway, the thing is, today we don't gonna be like accelerating too much. We don't gonna go like too crazy fast because of this problem. No, just that I don't. Yeah, I can still arrive at home. No, still have like 4.5 hours to get back home. Hey, my GPS, I hope is gonna take that. Of course, we're gonna stop now to eat something or to put petrol or get like a. Let's say that's pee time. And as well drink something, of course. Now we are not made of steel. I would wish that, but we are not. So guys, I said we not gonna go so fast today, and motorcyclist was just passing me and I decided to go with him. I think it's gonna take almost the same way like me, so it's gonna be nice if we can be following someone. So let's see. So I'm gonna leave you guys a little bit of the 60. And oh no, it's gonna be already like in a construction site. That can't be. Seriously, it's like I'm saying, guys, the whole Germany is a construction site. It's not just Berlin. Okay, let's see. Let's see if how long we can get it here now. Make sure you have a little bit of be careful with my navigation today, because like I said, we're gonna take another way. Not that we taking a wrong way, guys. Guys, I just was telling this guy there with a bicycle. It's like it's an electrical bicycle behind. I can show you guys. And the bicycle is almost falling from the bicycle wreck here. My God, seriously, it's like it's moving. Anyway, let's see if he thinks like he can do like that. Let's see. No. Oh. I don't wanna like. I have been already telling him one time. Like I had to like knock my horn. I don't know how many times. I could have been filming that because like I was already. I saw that and I have been trying to follow him. Oh man, the truck got broken here. And look, because of the truck, guys, the traffic right now. Oh, I'm so happy we don't need to get this way. Seriously. Seriously, I'm really happy. Look. Yeah, Marcelo, but anyway, you can still go now between the cars. And in Germany, guys, it's not allowed. You can do that in the Autobahn when it's like really warm, like it's a really warm day, or let's say it's a raining day, but you need to get in that first exit out. So, oh guys, oh, it's massive, this traffic. Look, I'm happy that I'm not the other side, guys. Seriously, yeah. Like all the time, and I wanted to turn off the camera just to give a little bit of more space, let's say, because like we still have like 4 hours not to ride. It's gonna be something like crazy, you know. But that's it. And the traffic, guys. I need to turn on the 360 to show behind me. Because the guys aren't gonna believe it, you know. Guys, look, because of one truck. Okay, was a construction site as well. We can't forget that, the construction site, no? But the truck got broken exactly in the construction site, guys. Wow, seriously. I'm really happy I'm not on the other side. For sure I will be going like between the cars, you know, for sure. But anyway, it's like it's not a nice ticket, you know. If I'm not wrong, it's more than 200 euros you need to pay, and I don't know if you get some points in the drive license. I'm not quite sure. The music a little bit down, and yeah, guys, I'm still like impressed with the traffic because it's really stopped right now. I thought myself it would like be maximum like 1 kilometer. We still, I don't know. It's already more than 6 minutes that we are riding, and the traffic's like that. And what the fuck? Seriously. First, don't you know use the indicators, no? Hey, seriously. And still, guys, here, look, still the traffic. It's really, really big right now here on the other side. And we still have a lot of traffic on this side as well. Now you can see there's a lot of cars passing, a lot of trucks. Oh guys, we're almost here close to Hamburg. Not so far away anymore. Like here's already like a part of, let's say, yeah, it's a kind of like a city that's called Hamburg. It's almost like Hamburg, but with air. In 2.5 kilometers, we're gonna be turning to get another Autobahn. I need to have a look to put some petrol. I have like an option 25 kilometers, like a Shell petrol station. It's saying that's gonna be like kind of traffic. I'm gonna just pass here. But anyway, I need to get out of here, so. Oh no. It's a bit so difficult here right now, guys. Like everybody wanna get out from this exit. Like I can see here right now. And that's make the traffic like really, really bad. Like stop at rear right now to make a quickly break, put petrol in the machine, and now we're gonna be leaving to continue the ride. So let's see what's gonna be happening. Feel like missing something like, let's say, it goes 3 hours, and yeah, let's see. I think it's something like 14 o'clock in the moment. I'm not quite sure. So let's see, guys. I hope at least 5:30 between this time I will arrive at home. Let's see. So let's do it. I almost forgot to change the batteries from the cameras, so we're gonna do that right now, and we're gonna continue. Almost arrived in Berlin, guys. Missing like 30 minutes already. Like, I can't wait to arrive at home, guys. Get a shower, like take a shower, like eat something. I haven't been eating anything till now, but I'm fine with that. That's always good, man. Like, the thing is, if I open my mouth, I can eat a lot of protein, man. So many insects that's going on right now here. But this here, guys, we're gonna get out there in front already. 500 meters. Yeah, I'm happy to be coming home, guys. The machine did it. She did it. Now it's like missing 30 kilometers. If anything happens right now, I'm almost home. So we'll ring the insurance, you know, they're gonna come pick me up. They're gonna bring me home anyway, or to the next workshop, and from there, I'm home, you know. I can get a train, a taxi, I can rent a car. It's like much easier right now, guys. So, man, we did it. That's good, Susie. I love you, motorcycle. I love you. You are the best for me. Seriously. And the best thing, you're mine. And that's the best thing. Woohoo! So, thanks very much if you have been following me till now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give a like to this video. Don't forget to watch as well, man, the old videos. I hope you guys like that one. And that's what I'm saying is, see you next time, and bye-bye!